Hello, so I migrated WordPress website to an Ubuntu server. So currently, I had a problem viewing the pages. So it has not found URL. So if you're having the same problem with me, just try to go to settings and then permalinks. So as you can see, there is an https file here that you need to check, but for now just make it plain, click save. So if we check, so it's currently working. So yeah, that's it. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video tutorials like this. Thank you.